1.
Okay, I'm going to make a quick quiz using a Google form. So I'm going to go new folder. I'm going to call this quiz 1. I'm going to keep everything together. So I'm going to go create. There's my folder. I've got an empty folder. You don't have to, but I'm just getting organized. And then I go new, more, Google form. Okay, so I'm going to call this quiz 1. If I type in the title, if I click here at the name at the top, then it will call this, whatever you typed in there, automatically saved to Drive. So please do these questions. Do the following. Do answer. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Okay. So question 1. Question 1 is going to always be, for me, a short answer question. You click here, short answer, and it's going to be this. Please enter your name. Okay, short answer, it's going to be required. They have to answer this question. The next one I'm going to have is which planet is this? Okay, so I'm going to have Earth, and I can click there. Jupiter, and I'm going to have Mars. So, which planet is this? Earth, Jupiter, or Mars? If you see this icon, I can add a picture here, and it brings up this dialog box. If I go to search, I can search in Google within the form. So I go Jupiter. Okay. So I'm going to show them a picture of Jupiter. Here it is. And I go select. So it's put in a really big picture of Jupiter, and I want them. I'm going to grab a corner, make it smaller. I click off it. Then I'm going to put this by clicking the 3 dots in the center. Okay. So there's my first question. Okay. I can preview that by clicking the eye. Which planet is this? Jupiter. Okay. So I can close that. Back to my form. So I'm going to make it look more beautiful. I'm going to go click on the color palette and make it, so I make it pink. That's nice. Or I'm going to add a picture. Okay. So I can choose from one of the themes. They're not really relevant. Travel, not really relevant. Okay. I could, if I wanted, choose a picture myself. I'm just going to choose something random. Okay, that'll do. Once you choose an image, it will try and match a color to look pretty with that image. Okay, so this is my quiz. I've only got one question, but if I wanted, I could duplicate this question. There you go. And I could change it and remove the picture, or I can press on the plus and I can add a question. I'm going to delete that one. Okay, so settings. At the moment, this quiz is defaulted to only be for Eglon users. I like that. I'm going to collect their email address just because I need to when I'm making a quiz. I'm going to make sure they can only respond one time. Okay? And I'm going to let them have the answers, access to the answers. Okay? Presentation, it's not long enough really to shuffle the question order or to show the progress. But I might put a message. Well done. 2C. Okay, or well done. I'm going to make this a quiz. I said I was going to make it a quiz, so I click make this a quiz. After the students finish, they will receive an email with their score. Okay, so I leave that one. If I want to do this manually, I can click that one. They'll also be able to see the questions they've missed, the correct answers, and the points that each question was worth. Okay, so I save. Okay, so if I click on the question now, it's added answer key. Now this allows me to set a points value and mark the correct answer. So I go that that's Jupiter, and I'm going to give them 10 points for that question. Okay, I can, if I planets facts Okay, if I wanted, I could find another resource so that I can give them feedback. If they get an incorrect answer, I can say, please look at this link website. Okay, and I can add that link there. Let's paste that in. Okay, Planet Facts. Okay, and I can add that. Okay, and save. So if they get the incorrect answer, it will show them this. Okay, that they can get more information. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to mark this one. I just copied it anyway. So I'm going to add answer key, go down, choose the right answer, Jupyter. Okay, because I copied it. And I'm going to give them 10 points for this. Okay, so my quiz is good to go. I'm going to send it out. The easiest way is to get the link. Here's the link. I go to shorten the link, and I can paste this into my email, copy and paste it into my email. I could also paste it into Classroom. So I can put a link to the quiz in Classroom or a link to quiz it just by an email. Okay, so I'm going to do this quiz. I can use preview and I'm going to do the quiz. So there's information at the top. It says you're using this email address. My name's Darren. Okay, and I'm going to get this one wrong. So I'm going to go, this is Earth. Okay, and I'll get this one right. This is Jupiter. Okay, and I'm going to submit. So I've completed the quiz, and as a student, I can view my score. So you can see I got the first one wrong. I said it was Earth, and the correct answer was Jupiter. And because I asked the students, they can please look at this website. You got it wrong, please look at this website. And it will take them to Planet Facts. Okay, I got this one right. I didn't put in any feedback. There it is. Okay, so as the teacher, I can see all the responses from the students. So if I click on responses, I can see that the email address, the name of the students that have submitted, only me so far, but there'll be a range of scores, show you the average score, the range, and it'll show you which answers your students clicked. So you can see, oh, they don't really know about this or about that, then that's useful. You could scroll through and see individual answer sheets. So this is Darren's. If there were more, I could click through. But the summary is quite nice. I could download it as a spreadsheet as well. I can turn it off, up to me. But that's a kind of quick run through of how to create a quiz using a Google form.